Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Ethereum, symbol ETHUSD, focusing on both recent news and the chart data to formulate a comprehensive outlook. It's March 30th, 2025, and a lot has been happening in the crypto space, so let's dive right in. Recent news indicates a mixed bag for Ethereum. Some sources highlight that Ethereum edges closer to deploying Pectra on mainnet with a successful upgrade on the ETHUSD testnet, which is generally bullish. However, other news suggests ETH is down, with a 4-year low relative to Bitcoin, and Bloomberg stating developers are fleeing. We also see news that over $14 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options expired recently, which often leads to volatility. Specifically, ETH lost the $2,000 support level and fell to $1,900. Let's see how this information lines up with the price charts. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a broad overview of ETHUSD's price action over the past year. There has been a significant downtrend from a high around $4,000 at the beginning of March 2024, down to recent prices. We can see some recovery periods, so let's examine recent weeks more closely. Focusing on the period from the beginning of 2025, it's clear the price is struggling to find a solid footing. Significant drops in January and February were only partially recovered before further declines. The last week of chart data shows prices hovering around the $1,800 level. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see more recent price action. Now on the 1-hour chart, we can analyze shorter-term price fluctuations and try to determine the overall sentiment of the market right now. Zooming in on the past few days, from around March 24th, it appears the price struggled to maintain gains. It made an attempt to reach $2,100, but has since fallen to below $1,900 on March 29th, which appears to align with some of the negative news. Let's drill down further into the 15-minute chart, focusing on the last 24 hours to better understand near-term momentum. This shows that the price has continued its downward trend as of today, March 30th. There appears to be some weak support around the $1,820 level, as shown by the range of recent candles, but this does not seem to be holding very well. Bearish sentiment is strong. Recapping the key levels, we see resistance around the $2,100 level and weak support around $1,820. Given the news and chart analysis, ETHUSD appears bearish in the short term. There is a significant chance, 60%, that it will test and potentially break the $1,820 support level in the coming days, especially if negative economic data or news of developer departures continues. It will become more likely if we see increasing selling volume. It is possible, 30%, the price could recover to the $2,000 level if positive news appears. To look for this, watch out for any news of successful implementations of Pectra or signs of strong institutional investment. In the longer term, it's crucial to watch for positive developments related to Ethereum's upgrades and adoption of decentralized applications. We should also watch the relationship of ETH relative to BTC. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe.